Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you're enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 2. We are learning Unit 9. Its title is The Ants. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today we are going to start reading and understanding the text. And before this, in Unit 6, I have taught you how to interact with text. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video lecture again. And we are going to learn to use textbook picture or pictures dictionary to aid comprehension and development of vocabulary. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran Surah Al-Naml verse 18. Until when they came upon the valley of the ants, and ants said, O ants, enter your dwellings, that you not be crushed by Suleiman and his soldiers while they perceive not. Yes, my dear students, what this beautiful verse is telling us? This is telling us that ants talk to each other. They communicate, they talk to each other. And beta, we learn a lot of things from Quran. I would suggest you read rest of the surah, the translation of the surah, and find out more about ants. Okay, so we are going to learn from our units about ants. First, you tell me, look at the pictures and guess what the text is all about. As the title is The Ants, we know this is about ants. Look at this picture, try to find out what are they doing. Whatever you can guess, teacher kindly let every child to speak whatever they find from this picture. So pause the video, answer this question to your teacher and then come back. Yes, my dear students, you have discussed about this picture. Very good. Now let's start reading the text. From the very first sentence, I am going to read it. Listen carefully because after me, you have to read it. Okay. Have you ever sat on a path on a warm summer's day, watching a line of ants marching busily to and fro? They are probably, and what does probably means? Most likely, perhaps. They are probably worker ants going to their nearby nest. Here is a little information about ants. Inside the nest, tiny, and what does tiny mean? Very small, little, very small. Tiny means very small. Tiny tunnels in the ground lead into the nest. Each nest is a series of tunnels and rooms. Types of ants. In every nest, there are 3 types of ants, that is, queen, female workers, and males. The biggest is the queen ants. Queen ants have wings. The males also have wings, but they are not quite as big. The tiny ants are the female worker ants, and they do not have wings. Now, all of you encircle the types of ants. Okay, so what you are supposed to do, pause the video, encircle the types of ants and read the text again and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with reading and you have encircled the types of ants? Good job. Now, I have an activity for you and your teacher has also preparation for that. And what the activity is, your teacher is going to show you a picture dictionary, and every student will read a word from the picture dictionary. Okay, and what the picture dictionary, that is like this. Your teacher is going to, she has a picture dictionary, she has arranged it. So you will look at the picture dictionary, you will find a word, you will say it, and every student is going to participate. Pause the video, complete this activity, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job. Now it's time for our work. You will answer the following questions. The text we just have read, teacher first take the answers of these questions orally and then make the students to write the answer in their notebook. Pause the video, complete this task, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job. It's time for your homework. You will write meanings for new words in your notebook. The new words which you learned today, you will write their meanings in your notebook. And here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. And my dear students, what you are going to do, this is just like a page of picture dictionary. You will read the names of the animals, and you can also color it. And ask your elder one unique thing about each animal. Okay, this is how you will complete this task. And what we have learned today, we learned to use pictures or picture dictionary to comprehend the text. So in this way, we achieved our SLO to use textbook pictures dictionary to aid comprehension and development of vocabulary. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow we'll complete reading of this unit. Till that time, keep learning and take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.